Hey guys and gals, I'm going to show you how to make an outdoor heater with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 3x3 parabola dish. Take a 6-stud long 3.2 shaft with flange. I'm going to place the flange portion right in the opening on the parabola dish. Then I'm going to slide in a 1x1 round brick, and yes, you're going to have to drop a lot of stuff on the shaft. Next, a set of hollow studs. Place those on there. Well, that one's trying to get away. Now we're going to take one of these 2x2 plates with the 4 sticks. Use these to make trees. We're going to place that right on top of the hollow stud. Then I'm going to feed in 3 transparent orange hollow studs. Now you want to drop this one all the way down. It'll go right in between these 4 studs here. Set this one here as well. Like I said, you're going to have to fish all these on there. Take another 2x2 round plate with 4 sticks. I'm going to flip this upside down, and I'm going to place a stud right in the center. Then I'm going to place this right on our shaft. The stud is meant to help anchor this down. And to crown off the top, a 3x3 parabola dish. Because the top doesn't look good until we put this on there. And that completes the outdoor heater.